Alright, what's up guys? So yesterday our buddy Luke came out to the barn and showed Joey how to weld a little bit. So today we're going out there, I'm going to learn how to weld, and we're just going to make some stuff, see what happens.
Yep. So what are we doing, Chris?
About to learn how to weld, or at least I am. Joey got a little information yesterday on welding.
Yeah, so my buddy Luke came over and kind of showed me what I was doing, and some of these are mine. Mine are a little more lumpy and stuff. His look a lot nicer. But I'm gonna learn how to weld so I can get Tina's subframe mounts welded in, coilovers on, things like that.
So we're gonna come over here.
We have plates that go on top here, and you weld them in on each side. So
little reinforcement for the bigger motor that we're gonna be putting in here.
yeah, I guess they advise you do this if you're doing a 24 valve swap, you know, S50, M50, M52, whatever. So yeah, I guess we'll
should be excited.
we'll see how he does, and obviously we're both gonna suck. So here we go. All right, here's Chris trying. Oh, you were doing all right at first, and then you got shitty.
It got,
That's not too bad. He started doing all right at first, and then it got real shitty. Getting there.
Getting better.
How's that?
A little chunkier, but not bad. I think I'm getting better a little bit.
Oh yeah, flip it over. Okay, so this is what he just did, is these two. Flip it over, let's see some of the other ones he did. No, other side. Go back over. So right there is like his first weld, all splattery and... Oh, there's a couple more of the splattery shit. Yeah, no, dude, those don't look too good. I can weld these two together real quick and see how I do. Don't expect it to be pretty. Probably gonna look like ass. Oh, it's still recording. Looks like shit. Not really bad. Yeah, I don't think it looks awful. I think it works.
I ain't gonna say it
It didn't break? Woo!
You know what I'm saying?
Alright, I'm gonna try and weld this on top of this, see how I do. Or at least two sides, and I might let Chris try two sides. Let's see. Zoom around. Alright, so it's not moving now, it's tacked in place. So now I'm gonna try and, I guess, weld this to this. It's not too terrible. Let me try this side. Here's my two sides. I blew through right there. Here's the other side.
Welding competition.
So Chris is gonna try the other sides. We only got one good mask, so we're trading back and forth. said it's shit?
Yeah, no, it was beyond shit. It didn't weld anything.
You went above it.
Oh, she's chunky.
Well, his is definitely uglier than mine. Here's my good side.
There's my whole side.
There's my side with the hole. Here's Chris's.
Yeah, I got one more attempt, guys.
We'll let him get the other side.
You guys got to give this video a thumbs up. Weld them.
Here's the shit side.
Let's cut this back here.
Ooh, I don't know, boyo.
No, she's not connected yet. Yeah, no, they're a little spaced.
That looks terrible.
Learning process right here.
Looks pretty clean.
Alright.
So right now we're cleaning up the cross members so we have a good surface to weld to. I'll take these to the bench grinder real quick and clean off all the surface rust. I'll hit the other side and then I guess try and weld these boys up. Alright, you can see I tacked it in a couple spots so it doesn't move. So now I'm going to go around and weld her up. Hopefully it doesn't look too shitty, but that's what we got a grinder for. Hey. This is hard. Alright, so here's the first mount welded up. First time I've ever welded anything to a car. Looks like it'll hold, definitely penetrated. Yeah, I'll grind it and clean it up, seal her up, and she'll be good to go. Throw a motor mount on her, you'll never know. Alright guys, so after I hit her with a grinder, I hit her with a little black so it doesn't rust up. Yeah, whatever. Gonna do this side now. I think Chris might try this side, so. Alright, here's the driver's side mount. Put it in, see if it fits. Good?
Yep.
Alright, sweet. Alright, see, you always want to test fit. Alright, here Chris goes. He's gonna try and do his side.
Should you bring the lighter on this way more?
Yeah, bro, whatever you need. How's it looking?
She's big. A little thicker.
Oh, you went like kind of under it.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, well. Go a little more, go a little higher. Alright, so that side was a little bit uglier, so
Joey's grinding it down, and then we're gonna paint over it so it doesn't rust. Hard to see there. But we got both sides in, ground down, and I threw some black on them so they don't rust. Looking good. What'd you think about your first time welding? What? Your first time welding. Oh, that's fun, dude. I had a blast. Was it hard? At first, it wasn't too bad. Kind of got to get used to it, but it's easier. Pretty fucking easy, huh? Alright guys, so this was my first time welding. Really wasn't that difficult. Definitely not a pro. I have a lot to learn, but you know, I'm sure those will hold. It's kind of what we started with today, and been kind of messing around and trying to weld shit together. And yeah, so if you think you can't do something, just try it, because honestly, things are all, you know, they seem a lot harder than they really are. Alright, so now Chris and I, we're about to, you know, clean up a little bit and head home and edit this shit up.